HD Interiors fans. Welcome back to your channel. If you're dreaming of a living room that's not only modern but also effortlessly timeless, you're in the right place. Today's video brings you a curated collection of living room design ideas that blend style, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're working with a blank canvas or simply updating your current space, these design concepts are all about creating a room that feels fresh, lived in, and beautifully yours. A modern living room starts with a strong foundation, and that begins with the color palette. Soft neutrals like warm whites, gentle beiges, and muted grays help create a calm, open atmosphere that feels spacious and welcoming. These shades work beautifully with almost any decor style, making them ideal for layering different elements over time. Clean lines play a key role in setting the tone. Think low-profile sofas, streamlined coffee tables, and furniture that feels light and intentional rather than bulky. This simplicity gives the room breathing space and allows key pieces to shine without overwhelming the layout. Materials matter too. Incorporating natural elements like wood, stone, or metal adds depth and character. Whether it's a wooden sideboard or a marble-look accent table, these touches introduce texture and warmth that never go out of style. This solid foundation creates a canvas where every design choice that follows feels cohesive, modern, and inviting. A thoughtful furniture layout can completely transform the energy of a living room. It's not just about placing pieces where they fit, it's about guiding movement, encouraging connection, and creating visual balance. Start by defining your main seating area. Arrange sofas and chairs in a way that promotes easy conversation, ideally facing each other or centered around a focal point like a coffee table or fireplace. Even in open-plan spaces, a rug can help anchor the layout and subtly separate the living zone from nearby areas like the dining room or kitchen. Leave enough room for natural flow. People should be able to walk comfortably around furniture without feeling cramped. Consider the balance between large and small pieces, mixing sizes to avoid a space that feels either too heavy or too sparse. Don't be afraid to float furniture away from the walls. Creating a cozy grouping in the center of the room can add warmth and make the space feel more intentional and inviting. Texture is what brings a modern living room to life. It adds depth, warmth, and a tactile richness that you can both see and feel. Start with a base layer, like a soft area rug that defines the space, and build from there using cushions, throws, and upholstery in a mix of materials. Try combining smooth and rough textures for contrast. For example, pair a sleek leather sofa with a chunky knit blanket or set a linen armchair beside a natural wood side table. These subtle differences in texture create visual interest without needing bold patterns or bright colors. Don't overlook the smaller touches. Woven baskets, ceramic vases, or even a stack of textured books on a coffee table can add layers of personality. Curtains and drapes also make a big impact. Flowing fabrics can soften the room and enhance the sense of comfort. When done right, layering texture makes a space feel warm, curated, and effortlessly stylish. Modern living rooms truly come to life with well-chosen accent and statement pieces. These are the elements that give a space its character, pieces that spark interest and reflect your personal style without overwhelming the room. A bold piece of wall art or a sculptural floor lamp can instantly become a focal point. You don't need many, just one or two thoughtfully selected items that draw the eye and add personality. Think of a velvet accent chair in a rich tone, a striking geometric coffee table, or a dramatic light fixture that doubles as functional art. Accent pieces also include the smaller details, decorative cushions in contrasting colors or textures, a ceramic vase with a simple arrangement, or even an unusual mirror that adds dimension to the wall. The key is balance. Let your statement pieces stand out by giving them space to breathe. When done right, these accents become conversation starters and give the entire room a polished, cohesive look. Style is important, but a truly successful living room also needs to work for everyday life. Practical design doesn't mean sacrificing beauty, it means choosing smart solutions that support how you actually use the space. Start with storage. Built-in shelves, floating cabinets, or even a stylish media console can keep clutter out of sight while maintaining a clean, modern look. Multifunctional furniture, like an ottoman with hidden storage or a coffee table with lift-top features, adds extra convenience without taking up more space. Durability matters too, especially for high-traffic areas. Opt for easy-to-clean fabrics, sturdy materials, and finishes that can handle daily use. Think performance upholstery, stain-resistant rugs, and low-maintenance surfaces. Even small choices make a difference. A tray on the coffee table keeps essentials organized, while a floor lamp with adjustable arms adds both light and flexibility. Practical design is all about making your living room beautiful, comfortable, and ready for real life. What makes a modern living room truly feel like home is how it's styled, and the personal touches you bring into it. These small, thoughtful details add warmth and soul, making the space uniquely yours. Start with things that tell your story. Display a few meaningful objects, like travel souvenirs, vintage finds, or family photos in clean, modern frames. A curated bookshelf, a favorite ceramic mug on a side table, or a handmade throw draped over the sofa can all quietly reflect your personality. Greenery also adds life to a room. A tall plant in a corner, a small succulent on the coffee table, or a hanging planter by the window introduces freshness and texture, grounding the space in nature. Even the way items are arranged matters. Layer objects in odd numbers, vary heights for balance, and leave enough negative space to let pieces breathe. Styling isn't about filling every surface, it's about creating quiet moments of beauty that make the room feel lived in and loved. A modern living room comes to life through balance, clean lines, layered textures, smart layouts, and just the right amount of personality. Whether you're drawn to subtle neutrals or bold accents, the key is creating a space that feels both current and deeply comfortable. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who love interior design, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more timeless decor inspiration. Your dream living room starts with the right ideas. Thank you for watching.